Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this really pretty sparkly green smoky eye for you guys with a pop of gold. I am obsessed with the eyes, oh my god. And today I wanted to try out the new Bretman Rock X Wet n Wild collection, just some products from it, so of course I reached immediately for the palette. It is so pretty. I love the pops of colors, but there's also some neutrals, and my eyes immediately drew to the greens, as they always do in every palette. So I had to try it out. And I also gave the lip gloss and highlighter duo a try. So I'm excited to show you guys everything, and if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Bretman Rock X Wet n Wild Jungle Rock palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Venomous. First, starting off with my Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm kind of tapping this shadow first into my crease to just pack that color on, and then I'm going to start going back and forth to start blending this out and distributing that even more. You can also then just take a clean fluffier brush. I'm using the E38 by Sigma and just buffing the edges even more just to really blend this out. I'm now going into Big Peacock Energy. I'm now picking up this shadow on my finger, and are you guys ready? So I'm applying this with my finger just all across my lid, just swiping that on. And then what I'm also going to do, kind of where my crease folds over, I'm just going to swipe down and apply a little bit onto that bottom part of my crease, and then we're going to blend that out and make sure that it blends out really nicely into my crease shadow. I also just picked up a little bit of that on the tip of my brush, and then I'm stamping that kind of into my crease. And then with a really light hand, just start blending out the edges, and that's going to help darken up the crease area and also blend it really nicely into the transition shadow. And then if you lose any of that pigment on your lid, you could just apply that and tap that over top of your lid again. And now picking up Venomous on my E54 Medium Sweeper Brush by Sigma, I'm going to start running this across my lower lash line. And now picking up Big Peacock Energy on my Sigma F70 Concealer Brush, and I'm going to start sweeping that across my lash line. Now picking up Prowl. And now picking up this shadow on my Sigma F70 Concealer Brush, I'm going to apply this on the inner corner. Now going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Overdrive, I'm now going to line my lower waterline, and then line my upper waterline. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going into the Tati Lashes in TL21, and that's the eye look done. So before I do my lips, I'm going to finish off my face. I have my foundation, concealer, and powder on, but I don't have any contour, blush, or highlight. So first for bronzer, I'm going into the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I love this one. And here it is. It's my Ride or Die. And I'm going to apply that with my Sigma F40 Large Angled Contour Brush. Now for blush, I'm going into the Mercier Blush Color Infusion in Peach. Look at how pretty the shade is. I've been loving blushes lately. I just honestly love packing on a little bit of extra blush to look really flushed and blushy. You get what I mean. And these Laura Mercier ones have been my favorite recently. And I'm going to sweep down the apples of my cheeks with my Sigma Large Angled Contour F40 brush. Now for highlight, I'm really excited to try this highlighter out. So this is the Bretman Rock X Wet n Wild Jungle Rock Loose Highlighting Duo, and Wet n Wild has one of my favorite loose highlighting powders, so I'm excited to see how this is. So it comes with two shades, so I'm actually going to be using this shade right here, so let's open that up. Let me swatch that for you. Look at how bright that is. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try that out. So I'm going to apply this on the high point of my cheek using my Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter F03 brush. Okay, this highlight is so pretty. It looks amazing. I am in love with it. So now for lips, I'm going to go into this NYX lip pencil in Nude Beige. And then I'm going to do a little bit of lip contouring and shading the outer corners. And now in the center, going in with a lighter shade, I'm going to go into this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo. This has to be one of my favorite lip combinations. It is so pretty, but I think we need a gloss to make them nice and juicy. So I'm going into this Bretman Rock X Wet n Wild Jungle Rock Lip Gloss in Ferocity. And And that is it. This is the completed look of my sparkly green smoky eye using the Bretman Rock X Wet n Wild collection. I hope you guys enjoyed. I have to say, I really like everything so far that I tried. There are a few other products in the collection that I didn't get to try out yet. And the palette I really want to keep playing around with, so if there's any other shades in the palette that you would like to see me create a look with, then definitely let me know down in the comments and I will do that for you guys. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here as well as down in the description box, and also list up all the products that I used today along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to achieve this look will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!